Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a cool doppelganger video by using CapCut. So first you need to add a clip to CapCut. You can add any clip, but I'm going to just add a video of someone's dancing like this. And after that, you can just split the clip into two. So I'm going to split maybe in here. Okay, and then after that, click on the first clip and go to animation, and then add the shake one animation under the in category. Okay, and now for the second clip, add the shake 3 animation and then the fade out animation for 0.5 seconds. Okay, fade out, and now I'm going to just go with 0.8, and then after that go to the body effect. Click on the clone category and then add the doppelganger effect. Now adjust the effect. For the twist, adjust it to 20, speed and amount 100, and now intensity 100, and rotate 75. Click on a check icon and put it for all of the duration on the first clip. And now go to the video effects again. Click on the nightclub category and then add the camera shake effect. Adjust the range to 15 and speed 35. Okay, put it under the doppelganger effect. So it will go like this. Okay, so for the next one, you need to add the the torn frame effect at the end of the second clip. So go to video effects and then click on the retro category. Find the torn frame effect. Okay, this one. Adjust the speed to 30 and filter 80. Okay, click on a check icon and put it at the end of the second clip. And you are done, and this is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.